Hello everyone, I am Badrika Patel from Caretit Solutions Private Limited. Today we will discuss about the put-away rules in Odoo version 13. Put-away rules is the process of taking products of the receiving shipment and putting them into the appropriate location. Let's start. First we need to configure the inventory. So click on inventory, configuration, setting. We have to enable the option for the routes. It's a multi-step routes which I have already activated. Then we have to create the put-away rules. Let's create the put-away rules for the product. It's cabinet 1 and the arrives location is warehouse stock and stored in warehouse stock shelf 1, and create another rule for cabinet 2 and warehouse stock to shelf 2. This is the location when product arrives, and this is the location when product stored. So this is the store location, the product stored automatically on this location. Let's create the purchase order. For cabinet 1 and for cabinet 2. Set the unit price and save it. Confirm the order and click on the receipt. We can see that the destination location is warehouse stock. Validate the product. Let's check in inventory report. Inventory, reporting and inventory report. Let's check our products. It's cabinet 1 and cabinet 2. Click on it and you can see that the location is warehouse stock shelf 1 and the location is warehouse stock shelf 2 for cabinet 2. So this is how put-away rule is worked in Odoo version 13. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.